get the mean of the bend angle, the minimum bend angle for student 1, trials 1, 2, and 3, first you need to select where you want the answer to go to, and then click Insert, and then click Function, Average, and then select the cells where the numbers are found, and then press Enter on your keyboard. Okay, to do the maximum bend angle average of the 3 trials for student number 1, first select the cell where you want your answer to be put, and then click Insert, Function, Average, and then select by clicking and dragging the 3 values. Press Enter, and then you'll get your answer right here. Now for you to copy the formula so that it automatically computes student 2, student 3, student 4, and student 5's average, just select the first one that you did and move your mouse cursor to that corner square and drag. Click, hold the mouse, and drag. Do the same thing here. Select, put the cursor at the corner, click, and then drag. Okay, the last thing that you need to do is format the number so that it only shows 2 decimal points. So select all of these by clicking and dragging, and then go to Format, Number, and then instead of automatic, you want to select this one that says number, and then it has 2 decimal places at the end. So click that, and it changes all of that. Do the same thing here. Click and then drag, and then click Format, and then Number, and then select Number. Okay, now that we have the mean for student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, and student 5 for the minimum bend angle degrees and the maximum bend angle degrees, what you need to do now is transfer this data to the class data. So let's just imagine that students 6 through 20 already entered theirs. So to do that, go select by clicking and dragging, right click copy, and then go to class data, and then click the first cell or cell B2, right click, paste special, and then click paste values only. It will paste all the values, except that you'll see that the formatting was not included. The formatting would be the 2 decimal places. So right click and then click paste special again, and then click paste format only, and then it will format it just like the way it was in the first sheet. Do the same thing. Select the mean for students 1 through 5 under maximum bend angle, right click, copy, go back to class data, click on cell C2, right click, paste special, paste values only, and while it's still selected, right click again, paste special, and then click paste format only. Okay, so we have now entered all of the data that we need to enter. The next thing is for you to click A1 and select A1 down to C22. So click and drag down to C21, and then click data, and then create a filter. Now you have a filter for your data. You can now arrange the mean maximum bend angle from the smallest value to the largest value. So if I click on this button and then click sort A through Z, notice that it starts off with -2 down to 2.33. And then if I want to sort my data on the mean maximum bend angle from the smallest to the largest number, so I click the button and then click sort A through Z, and here's what I get. Okay, from 132.33, which is my minimum number that I got, and 152.33, the highest. Then if I want to just arrange it by student number, I could just click here, sort A through Z, and I'm back to the original sorting of my data.